Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, our today's topic is fill in the blanks. In our annual term exam, we have total 21 fill in the blanks. Among them, we have already done 10 fill in the blanks in our previous class. Today, we will do from 11 to 21. Let us see today's class at a glance. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks, and this is lecture number 16. And I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 15 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. You can see here is the fill in the blanks from 11 to 21. So we will do this fill in the blanks today. Our first fill in the blanks is the dash is a object in the solar system that moves around the earth. Answer will be the moon. So we will write here moon. The moon. The moon is a object in the solar system that moves around the earth. 12th number is the sun is a dash that has light, heat and other energy of its own. The sun is a star. The answer will be star. Then we will write here star. The sun is a star that has light, heat and other energy of its own. 13 number is our earth is one of the planet in the dash. Our earth is one of the planet in the answer will be solar system. So we will write here solar system. Our earth is one of the planet in the solar system. 14 is the dash is made up of everything that exists, including galaxies, stars, planets, space, all matter and energy. So the answer will be universe. The universe. So we will write here universe. The universe The universe is made up of everything that exists, including galaxies, stars, planets, space, all matter and energy. 15 number fill in the blanks is dash is the usual weather pattern for a long period of time at a particular area. Answer will be climate. So we will write here climate. So climate is the usual weather pattern for a long period of time at a particular area. Next is 16 number. The small droplets of cloud aggregate into dash. The answer is the small droplets of cloud aggregate into big drops. So we will write here big drops. Next, 17 number. Bangladesh is covered with fog in dash. The answer is Bangladesh is covered with fog in winter. Next is 18 number. Dash is necessary to grow good crops. The answer is rainfall is necessary to grow good crops. So we will write here rainfall. Number 19 is information and dash. Technology make our life easier. The answer will be information and communication. Technology make our lives easier. So we will write here communication. 20 number is people drawing picture on cave wall or used dash to store information. The answer will be people drawing picture on cave wall or used lithograph to store information. So we will write here lithograph. Number, that means last one. The use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and dash information. The answer will be the use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and. In our previous class I have written here exchange. You can write exchange or sharing, both are correct. You can write any word from here. So answer is 21 number. The use of information includes the activities like collecting, storing and exchange, or you can write sharing information. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 15 number SW. Sorry, 15 number SW. And remember that when you will do your SW, please write down the SW number on top of your SW copy. And our SW will be this: fill in the blanks. From 11 to 21 number. From 11 to 21 number. Student, I am repeating your SW. This is 15 number SW and your SW will be fill in the blanks from 11 to 21 number. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assign SW in your SW copy and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.